The first planet on our lineup is the Sun, and the Sun represents self-expression, confidence, creativity, our outer ego, and it also represents the father figure. The Sun is divine masculine energy, and so wherever the Sun is in our chart, it's kind of like it's shining a light on that area of life because we need to draw the most focus in that area of life. And so the Sun's ruler is Leo, the detriment is in Aquarius, exaltation is in Aries, and the fall is in Libra. The Sun does rule the fifth house of creativity, self-expression, children, dating, pleasure, leisure, love, entrepreneurship. It even rules the most dominant parent. Now, this could be the mother or the father. TRZO was brought to you by TRZO On-The-Go. It's spiritual entertainment wrapped in a bow. Sextile, finance and harmony with sextile. And by TRZO, TRESCZO, TRZO.